Namaste children. How are you all? I hope all of you are hale and hearty. Today I am going to teach you determiners. What do you mean by determiners? Well, as the name suggests, determiners determine something. Determiners fix, specify or particularize something. Now, the question arises, what do determiners fix, specify or particularize? Well, determiners fix to the meaning of nouns. They are also called as noun modifiers. So, determiners are the words used before noun or noun phrases to fix their meaning. They refer to something specific or particular. For example, the best boy, that tube light, every child, my uncle. The words the, every, that, my are determiners because they are used before nouns to fix their meaning. For example, that tube light. Now the word that is a determiner because it tells us that I'm talking about which tube light? That tube light. Fine. So determiner fix the meaning of nouns. Now I'll discuss about kind of determiners. There are seven kind of determiners. Articles, possessive, demonstratives, distributives, quantifiers, numerals and interrogative. So now, first of all, let me talk about articles. A, and the are called articles. Articles are divided as the categorization is as definite and indefinite articles. A and an are called indefinite articles and the is called definite article. Why the is called definite article? Because the is used before a noun when we want to particularize it. For example, the book which is lying on the table belongs to me. Now, here I have particularized it that I am talking about particularly that book which is lying on the table. But if I talk about a and an, they are called indefinite articles because when we use a and an, we want to talk about in general. For example, I want a book or I have a book. Now here we don't know we are talking about which book. Fine. I have already discussed about articles in my previous video in detail. So now I'll explain you demonstratives. Alright, now let us talk about demonstratives. This, that, these, those are demonstratives. They point towards something or someone. They answer the question, which one? As you can see, I have written here singular and here plural. So, this and that are placed before singular nouns and these and those are placed before plural nouns. Now the question arises when to use this and when to use that. So this and these are used before persons or objects which are nearby. Fine. I have written here close by. So this and these are placed before persons or objects which are nearby. And that and those are placed before persons or objects which are far away from the speaker. Let me explain you with an example. Here I have one book, singular in number, and it is near to the speaker. It is near to me. How I will point it out? This book is very informative. And if there is more than one book, these books are informative. Fine. And when to use that and those? When we want to they are placed before nouns which are far away. For example, there is one girl who is sitting at the last bench. How I will say? That girl is creating a lot of noise. And if there are many girls, like 2 to 3 girls are sitting on the last bench, then how I will say? I'll say, those girls are creating a lot of noise in the class. Alright, now let me talk about possessives. Alright, now let us talk about possessives. A possessive is a word that shows that a certain person or thing is possessed by someone. So, possessives show possession. For example, this is my pointer. Now, the word my shows possession. That this pointer belongs to me. This is possessed by me. This is my pointer. Fine. The words my, your, his, her, it, our, their are possessives. For example, this is my car. So the word my shows possession and it is placed before noun. Okay, students, tell me one thing. Is this sentence correct? This is mine car. This is incorrect. Avoid making this error. Now, let us check out. Now we know that the words my, your, his, her, it, are possessives. And they act as possessive adjectives. But words mine, yours, ours, hers, theirs are possessive pronouns. And they are placed after the noun. So the difference is clear. When to use my and when to use mine. My is placed before a noun. This is my car. Car here is noun and mine. And possessive pronouns. Mine is a possessive pronoun. It is placed after the noun. This car is mine. So avoid making this error. Fine. Let's learn through examples. It is your bag. This bag is yours. It is our trophy. The trophy is ours. These are her flowers. These flowers are hers. These are their boxes. These boxes are theirs. So girls, in this video, I talked about articles, possessive and demonstratives. In my next video, I'll discuss about quantifiers. That's it for today. Thank you.